We have all the Donago Power Sports lineup here, dirt bikes, electric four-wheelers, all the way up to 107cc to 140cc. Also the new Freelander 300. Come check them out. The only golf cart with power steering, the 2024 Candy. This is the 4 Pro, fully loaded, ready to go, and also comes with a soundbar. Touchscreen, backup camera, street legal. We have 2025 Hisense. This is dual overhead cam, the newest model out. 2024 Cruise at $13,599 plus F&A. Also gas golf carts, 2025 gas golf carts. Yeah, limited stock available, guys. Non-lifted, lifted, 6-seaters, different seats. These come with a 2-year warranty, parts and labor covered. We got brand new 2025 Rover XLs, $99.95 for the 4-seater, as well as gray. 2025 Nomad XL, navigation, Apple, Android CarPlay. The 6-seater Rover XXL in red. The blue Nomad with navigation. The gray Nomad with navigation as well, 2025. Those are $84.95. And we have another 6-seater here in the gray. These are $11,995. They all come with a 5-year warranty. They have golf club holders on the back of them, and some of them. 5-year battery warranty, 2 years on the cart. Lifetime on the aluminum frame. They have a lot of colors available, guys. 2025 red Nomad XL here with navigation, a green, which is a really nice color as well. Come check them out, guys. ATV UTV at 560 10th Street, Floresville, Texas 78114.